Let us discuss SS 600 series using the work of another auditor 600. Define the terms of principal auditor, other auditor and component auditor. Write a notes on coordination between principal auditor and other auditor. Discuss the reporting consideration of principal auditor and other auditor. Explain the division of responsibility as laid down SA 600. Gupta and Company has been appointed as an auditor of ABC Limited at Delhi. Kumar and Company, another CA firms, has been appointed as auditor for the division of the company at Nagpur. What are the procedures should Gupta and Company follow while using the work of Kumar and Company with respect to the financial information of Nagpur divisions, which is included in the statement of ABC Limited? Using the work of another auditor, continue. You are the principal auditor of Sri Company Limited, which has 3 branches, the account of which are subjected to the audit by the qualified branch auditors. One of the branch auditors qualifies his reports for non-provision of doubtful debt, which he considered material, as the company management informed you the debt under the subject matter of qualification in branch auditor's report had been fully recovered. How you will deal the same above? Mr. X, a partner of X and Company, a firm of chartered accountant, died on 31st March 2014 after completing the routine audit work of XYZ Limited. Mr. Y, another partner of the firm, signed the financial statement of XYZ Limited without reviewing the finalization of work done by assistant. Comment. SA 610, using the work of internal auditor. Explain the relationship between internal auditor and statutory auditor. List factors based on which adequacy of internal auditor work can be evaluated. How far the internal audit is useful for statutory auditor. To what extent statutory auditor can rely on work of internal auditor. In the course of statutory audit of Z Limited, a statutory auditor, having determined that work of internal auditor is likely to be adequate for the purpose of statutory audit, wanted to use the work of internal auditor in respect of physical verification of fixed asset. How an evaluation of this specific work done by internal auditor can be done. SA 620, using the work of expert. Highlights auditor's responsibility while using the work of an expert. How does auditors evaluate work of an expert? Why Limited engaged an actuary to ascertain its employee cost, gratuity and leave encashment liability. As auditor of Y Limited, would you like to use the report of actuary as a result of evidence? How do you evaluate the work of actuary? The auditor of SS Limited accepted gratuity liability valuation based on certificate issued by qualified actuary. However, auditor noticed that retirement age adopted is 65 years as against existing retirement age of 60 years. The company considered the proposal to increase the retirement age. Comment. While auditing the audit, RAM, the auditor requires reports from expert for the purpose of audit evidence. What type of reports or opinion he can obtain and to what extent he can rely upon the same. The new audit trainee of your firm of auditor has asked you to advise him on reliability of evidence for valuation of land and building by the valuer. Describe work you would carry out to check the independence, qualification and experience of the valuer and accuracy of valuation. Y Limited obtained an actuarial valuation for the gratuity liability at the year end. The actuary changed certain basic assumption for working out the liability at the year end as compared to the one adopted by him in preceding year. State auditor's responsibility in this matter. Based on the legal opinion of a leading advocate, X Limited made a provision of 5 crores towards income tax liability. The assessing authority has worked out the liability at rupees 15 crores. It is observed that the opinion of the advocate was inconsistent with legal position with regard to certain revenue items. Indicate precise nature of auditor's liability in above situation and support your view. This is our discussion about 600 series. Thank you for watching.